let me do a quick recap of the stuff we got. Okay, we got the pants. Really nice, really nice. Put it over here. Put the rest of the stuff. Uh, we got jacket as well. Looking pretty nice. This is the side and the back. This guy is the girl. Oh my god. Put this away. Okay. Then we got the boots or yeah, sneakers, I guess. Um, yeah, looking really good. These are gonna be very comfortable. Also, I checked, and they will also protect my ankles, which are really important. So I'm happy. I think they look pretty good as well. And last but not least, we got the gloves. Really nice pieces. I think they look good as well. At least the homies. Yo, sleep token? Hell yeah. They got some great music. Okay, that will be it